Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. I'm Marva, and I thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be harvesting the cantaloupe that we've been looking at for a little while. So, come with me. Let's see what's in store here in this bed. In fact, there are two of them, but the second one is not quite ready. Here it is right here. We're going to harvest this one right here. As you see all around it, the leaves have dried up. The stem is also non-functioning, not functioning anymore. It's turning yellow. So it's time to harvest this beautiful cantaloupe. I hope it's good on the inside. Sounds hollow. Listen to the lovely birds. Okay, here we go. Now I'm kind of suspicious about what's going on right here. I have a feeling that it's soft. Can't feel it, doesn't feel soft right here, but I think it's soft on the inside. Well, you'll see. Well, folks, here we are. I'm in the kitchen, and I've decided to cut into this because I have a feeling that this is no good. From the way it looks, and here seem to be soft on the inside. The rest of it is hard. So I'm going to cut into it just so that you can see. It's either going to be a hit or a miss. Let's see which one it is. Yeah, right here felt softer. And juice is juicy as well. Okay, let's get ready for the reveal. Wow, this is a surprise. I didn't expect that it would look so good. It's totally ripe. Wow. It looks good. Now, what about the taste? Let's see. Now it is very juicy. Taste it. Wow, it's not sweet, but it's edible. Wow. So I would say it's a hit. I'm just going to cut this up into pieces and use it in smoothie. That's the best way to use this when it's not as good as you want it to be. But if it's edible, there's always juice in. As I'm peeling this, I'm thinking about the juice that I will make with it. It's going to include mango for sure. Mango, cantaloupe, and something else. Not quite sure yet. See all that juice? This is the piece where I thought was no good. It was just overripe. So I'm going to show you the smoothie that I'm going to make with it. It will probably be a cantaloupe, mango, banana smoothie. Yeah, how about that? It is very juicy. And I believe the reason it is not sweet is because we have not been getting the rain that we really need in the garden. Here it is, a backyard cantaloupe. Now let's get to the blender. So here are my ingredients. I have some almond milk, flaxseed, the ground flaxseed. I have a mango, which I cut up a piece over here. I'm going to use a half of this banana, and most of the fruit will be the star, which is cantaloupe. Okay, I think I'm just going to use the bigger blender so that I can have some for later. All right, let's see what it's like. Yeah, I like the consistency. Looks like a very nice smoothie. Now for the taste test. So delicious. I can taste all the fruits. Wow. So yes, folks, that's my cantaloupe banana mango smoothie. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments in advance, and don't forget your thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And I'll see you next time, somewhere around the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden.